All right, this is for Matthew. Got some Mosaic action. Listen, you know what, Tom? Have your wife come over and have her watch for a few minutes. Have her listen to my awesome voice. I'll give her a shout out by name. And you can tell her you are involved in some family friendly sports discussions. I mean, it's the internet. There are plenty worse things you could be watching than a smooth, buttery voice talk about sports and life in a family friendly manner. I'm like the antithesis of Barstool Sports. Jacob Eason. Max Crosby. Yeah. Lewis. Lewis is like, no, my wife will never hear your voice. Aaron Rodgers got game. I think you proved that. So many worse. Yeah. Ja. Yeah, I'm not going to repeat that. Because that's not nice to the competition. I'm not going to repeat that. There's lots of good breakers. I mean, there's only one DC. But there are some good breakers out there. Anthony McFarland Jr. Jason is like, I don't have a smooth, buttery anything. AJ Dillon, will to win. Dak Prescott, ain't that the truth? Will to win. Andrew, you let DC talk to your wife, she leaves you. I don't know about that. I don't know. There are some people who let their spouses hang out with me because they're gonna know that my velvety goodness is gonna be on in the background and they can hear it. Jalen Rager. I can think of two that's, hey, what's up, Hoff? That specifically are like, hey, say hello to my wife for me. You're the only reason I'm allowed to watch this channel. I have others that request me to write notes to them. Hey, I'm down. Melvin Gordon, Prism. DC's I mean, I don't. Barry was really low. I don't even think I'm capable of going very low. I think as low as I can get would be this. This is about as low as I can get. It doesn't get any lower than this register right here. So there you go. That's as close to Barry White as I can get. And that hurts. That's painful. Gandy Golden. Joe Mixon. Ooh, a sticker. Mine. That's it, man. That's as low as I can go. I can go that low and maybe as high as Prince, but that's it. That's where I'm topped out. Keenan Allen got game. I think he proved that this weekend. All right, hanger time. Stop. Hanger time. Closer to Isaac Hayes. Hey, I'll take Isaac Hayes. I'll take Isaac Hayes. Yeah. There you go, Thomas. Good luck, buddy. Eason. Vince is like, ooh, that voice gave me chills. Just kidding, you suck. Oh, cool. Eddie George. Von Miller. Lynn Bowden Jr. Jr. The future of the Patriots, it's Jarrett Stidham. That's an old school Howie Long. Eli. George Thurgood, bad to the bone. I can get, there's Burrow. There he is. I can get as raspy as him. And Murray. There you go, bub. That's awesome.